free.
There's another amazing sort of effect from having the atlas corrected, and that is your DNA changes. It's different for different people, and from what I've dowsed, anything from 20% change up to 35-40%, which is a large amount. And I imagine, I'm not sure about this, but I think certain codes are switched on in our DNA. And I told Marie about this because I was very interested, and she said, well, it's been proved that if a lady before she conceives a baby has had her atlas corrected, then the baby will be born perfect with its atlas in the right place. If she hasn't, then the baby is born with his or her atlas slightly skewed. So there is a genetic change. And the other thing I dowsed was, and I've been aware of this, we do have, all of us, apart from the royal blue bloods, reptilian DNA. This is what's the remnants of our genetic engineering all those years ago, and it has been going down in its amount due to the way the Earth and humans' consciousness is going up. And from mainly, most people have had 10% of their DNA reptilian. It's now was 5% in my case, and now it's disappeared with my atlas correction, which is wonderful. And the other thing to say is about our assemblage point, which is also affected by the atlas correction, and that is where the life force energy comes in the body. A lot on the internet about assemblage point, and it should be in the region of the chest area, but anything such as surgery, trauma, toxins and the usual stuff can push it out of alignment. The atlas correction will bring it back by 10%. It doesn't bring it back completely, but there are wonderful machines called Theragem machines, which is light shining through gemstones. Cornelian was the one that I had at the Sanctuary of Healing, which is between Preston and Clitheroe, and it's well worth looking at that site, the Sanctuary of Healing. And that will, after a couple of sessions, if somebody has their assemblage point well out of alignment, bring it back. That is really tremendous to see that the atlas corrections had an effect on that as well. And I think we've just about covered all that I know anyway, but I'm sure there are other areas that I've yet to discover. Okay?